Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing second internal test of DAVV-IIPS of data science. So let's begin with first question. So the question states that what are the stages of text mining and consider the example of the complaint and suggest the approach algorithm process to identify applicable IPC BNS sections to recommend applicable BNS sections of IPS sections. And the complaint is in this form where it states that theft of my phone by an unknown person at MG Road on 2023-02-20, and the phone was stolen when I was shopping at the store, and the thief was wearing a black jacket and had a scar on his face. So let's begin with our answer. So text mining, also known as text analytics, involves extracting meaningful information from unstructured text data, and the process involves the following stages. As the question is asking, what are the stages of text mining? So first stage is text preprocessing. In this, our objective is to prepare a raw data for analysis by cleaning and standardizing the data. And it involves key steps such as tokenization, stop word removal, stemming, lemmonization, lower casing, noise removal, and normalization. Second step we have is text transformation. And our objective of text transformation is convert the text into a structured format suitable for analysis. And there are key techniques for performing text transformation, which involves BOW, which stands for bag of words, TF-IDF, term frequency, inverse document frequency, and word embedding. And third step we have in text mining is feature selection and reduction. Our objective or feature selection and reduction is to identify and retain the most relevant information for analysis for reducing noises and dimensionality. And then fourth step we have is text analysis or modeling. In this, our objective is to apply an algorithm to extract patterns, insights, or predictions. It involves key techniques such as clustering, classification, named entity recognition. And it also involves topic modeling and sentiment analysis. And fifth step we have in text mining steps is evaluation and validation. An objective of evaluation and validation is to access the performance of the model and refine them. Then sixth step we have is visualization and interpretation. In this, our objective is to represent insights in the understandable format for stakeholders. Then seventh step states that deployment and feedback, and its objective is to integrate insights or model into applicable for real world use. And next we have is this complaint. We will be applying text mining steps on this complaint, and it will be in the form of text preprocessing. In this, first we will perform tokenization and break the words into individual words and phrases. For example, theft of my phone. It is the complaint that was sent by the victim. And then we have stop word removal. In this, we will remove irrelevant words like off, my, at, on, etc. and keep only relevant data. For example, theft mobile. In this, off is removed, my is removed, on is removed, and all that data is rest. And then we have named entity recognition. In this, we identify data, location, and person. For example, date, it is given 23/02/20, and location is given MG Road, and object is given mobile phone which was stolen. And then we will apply stemming. In this, we convert the words to their root forms. For example, stolen to steal, and example, theft, mobile phone, unknown person. And then we have text transformation. It involves certain steps in which we convert text into features. For converting the text into features, we use TDF-IDF to prioritize significant terms. In this, it prioritizes according to frequency of the word. And then we have is n-gain grams to capture first phrases like mobile phone theft or black jacket theft. And then we represent terms using word embedding. For example, BERT is used to understand the semantic concept of the complaint. And then we have third step, which includes feature selection. In this, we identify key terms related to IPCN and BNS sections, which includes example features, theft, phone, MG road, unknown persons, car, thief. And fourth step we have is text analysis. And we do this to supervise or rule-based classification method. It involves approaches such as rule-based approach, which states that we map keywords to IPC sections. For example, theft is mapped to IPC section 378. And next approach we have is machine learning approach. In this we train a classifier example we can choose from this random forest, SVM or fine-tuned BERT unlabeled complaints to predict IPC categories. The next approach which we have is named entity recognition. In this we identify objects, for example mobile, which was stolen, and actions, which I just stated, stolen, to infer relevant sections to our complaint. And fifth step we have is evaluation. In this, we validate predictions using accuracy, precision, and recall. These are the evaluation matrices. And then test with unknown examples to ensure the mapping aligns with legal definition. In this, we check that whether legal definitions are mapped properly or not. And then sixth step we have is visualization. In this, we present predictions with an example of why specific IPC BNS sections were recommended. So here is the output, recommended IPC sections based on the complaint that applicable sections in BNS category can be interfered. So here is the output according to the complaint, in which IPC sections related to the complaint are section 378 for theft. This complaint mentions that the theft of a phone is has occurred. And section 379, which is punishment for theft, which specify the punishment related to theft. And section 11, which means person definition and public servant definition, may be indirectly applicable based on the complaint. And then we have is broad national categories, BNS, in which the property offenses related to the complaint. In this, the theft of a phone falls under this category. And next step we have is approach for automation. In this way, collect data. We can use a set of data or complaint with the label IPC sections. Then model training. In this, we process data and train model like fine tune. Then we deploy it, and then we create an API that creates complaint and returns recommended IPC sections with complaints. So with deployment, we check that the it is working deployment, that whether it is working properly or not. We can help of with the help of this we can take feedbacks from the user and help improve the model. So this was about the question 1 of second internal test of data science. In next video, we will include question 3, second and third. I hope you like the video. Thank you.